Cantara Integration Platform provides access to any business function or named event rule available in JD Edwards. To add a JD Edwards function, open the Components group in the Administration console and select the Functions node. Click Add to add a new function. Cantara lets you give the function component a name along with the required JD Edwards function name. The Download button instructs Cantara to retrieve the function's parameter data structure directly from JD Edwards. With this information, a new REST service will be generated. There are a number of configurable options that can be defined for the function. Firstly, the parameters can optionally be given more readable or meaningful names. The data types returned include the basic data types like strings and integers, as well as the JD Edwards specific data types like business unit and location. If ever a data type needs to be changed, it can be reconfigured by selecting a type from the list. Parameters can be defined as optional or required, and there is also a third setting available called hidden. Hidden parameters can't be assigned a value by the caller of the service. Typically, you would set a default value for a hidden parameter. Let's say we only wanted the function to support branch plant M30. The parameter then can't be overridden by the client. Direction indicates whether the parameter value is being passed in or out or both. The lookup feature is able to retrieve information specific to the data type. So for example, we can bring back the business unit description, a description for the UDC value, or the lot and location details. All Cantara components can include a description of the service, as well as tags that may be useful when searching for components. JD Edwards security roles should also be assigned, so if a logged-in user doesn't have any of the roles specified, they won't be able to execute the service. Once the settings are finalised, the function should be saved, and the service is immediately available for use. Now that the function has been created, we can test it and confirm that it's working correctly. So firstly, enter some input values. The Launch button at the top opens a testing window, which shows the REST request. Clicking Execute displays the response as well as the transaction with JD Edwards. The full REST response is displayed here in 3 columns. The response shows some audit information at the top to report that the transaction was successful. The result set then shows the branch and branch description details because lookup was set. For the item number, it's also brought back the primary item number and the item description, mountain bike red. For lot status, even though the status is blank, it's provided the description. The quantity available is 850, and finally the location and .formatted location. For further information about configuring and using Cantara Integration Platform, visit our knowledge garden at renami.com.